Hey everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we're diving into the world of website builders and taking a closer look at two of the most popular platforms out there, Shopify and Wix. Whether you're a budding entrepreneur or an established web business owner, choosing the right e-commerce platform can make all the difference in building a successful online store. In this video we'll compare Shopify and Wix, examining their features, ease of use, design options, pricing, and more. By the end of the comparison, you should have a clear understanding of what platform might be the best fit for your specific needs. So whether you're just starting out or looking to switch platforms, join me as we explore the strengths and weaknesses of Shopify and Wix and help you make an informed decision for your online business. So whenever you are first deciding on the platform, you want to consider ease of use. It's an essential factor to consider when comparing Shopify and Wix because you want to make sure that the platform you're using lives up to your own technical knowledge and expertise if you are the one that's going to be updating and maintaining your website. So starting off with Wix is widely recognized for its user-friendly interface, making it a really excellent choice for beginners and those without any coding experience. The platform offers a really powerful drag and drop editor, allowing you to easily customize your website's layout and design. It's really easy to just simply select elements on your website and then just click on the edit sections to edit the text, edit the colors and the layout and everything like that. So for example, this section here, we can change section background, column background, art, and all of the content written here as well. But if we're not happy with that layout, we can switch to the layout tab and we can click on add section to add a new section, and this can be pre-designed sections or we can create our own blank section and custom sections as well. You can simply select elements like text, images, and videos and position them on the page as you want. So for example, if you wanted to add another paragraph here, what we want to do is click on the add element section, and we're looking for one of the paragraph elements. We've got 3 different paragraph elements, each have different styling. Choose the style of paragraph that we'd like and then just drag it onto the area that we want to add it to. And you can see the guidelines there to make sure everything's nicely centered in the middle. And we've got a new paragraph which we can easily edit the text for. Wix also provides a wide selection of pre-designed templates that can be customized to match your brand, and the really intuitive interface and visual editor makes it really easy to create a website quickly and efficiently without the need for any kind of technical expertise. Shopify is slightly different and has a steeper learning curve compared to Wix, as it caters more specifically to e-commerce businesses. While it does offer a beginner-friendly interface, it may require a bit more time and effort to get accustomed to its functionalities. Shopify have this dedicated admin panel where you can manage your product and your store inventory, but this may require and other aspects of the online store. You can have more advanced customization options, but that might require some familiarity with coding or utilizing Shopify's liquid templating language. Shopify's extensive feature set provides a comprehensive e-commerce solution, but it might take some time to explore and understand all the available options. In terms of their theme editing, if you go into the theme customizer, you'll be able to edit certain parts of the theme, but it really depends on what theme you're using. Right now this is the default Dawn theme, so it's pretty easy to add new sections to the homepage, edit sections. But if you were to use any other theme, then the customization may be more limited or more advanced, just depending on which theme that you use. In summary, Wix's drag and drop editor and user-friendly interface make it extremely accessible for beginners and those without technical skills. But on the other hand, Shopify offers more advanced customization options and e-commerce specific features, but it might require a slightly higher learning curve. Both platforms have intuitive interfaces, but Wix prioritizes simplicity and ease of use, while Shopify focuses on providing a comprehensive e-commerce toolkit. So now let's take a look at some of the e-commerce features that both platforms have to offer. As you know, Shopify is a e-commerce platform anyway, but Wix offers e-commerce as well as part of the functionality, but it also can be any other type of website like a blog portfolio website. With Shopify, it's solely for e-commerce, but that's not to say that Wix doesn't have any really good e-commerce features as well. So starting off with Shopify, Shopify is widely regarded as one of the leading e-commerce platforms specifically built to cater to online businesses, and has a comprehensive range of e-commerce features including product management. So Shopify provides this robust tools for managing your products, and you can easily add and categorize products, set pricing, track inventory, manage varieties, and manage variations as well, like sizes and colors. It's really easy and really front-end friendly to set up a product. Everything is labeled clearly with the title here, description, media files, pricing, inventory, and things like that. And you can sell different shipping rules. You can manage and fulfill your orders through the Shopify admin panel as well. And it makes it really easy to kind of navigate for your products. All of your orders will show here, and it's a really efficient way through the admin panel. It provides features like order tracking, shipping label generation, automatic tax calculation, integration with popular shipping carriers, and a lot more. On top of that, they also have a lot of different payment gateways. So Shopify integrates with a wide range of payment gateways like Shopify Payments. They also do have integration with PayPal, Amazon Pay as well. Now these other payment providers have their own pricing fees. So for example, PayPal will take a fee off your total order, and so will Amazon as well. And then you have Shopify Payments to accept payment cards as well. Shopify also have a really vast app store that offers a wide range of free and paid apps and plugins, and these apps extend the functionality of your store, providing features like abandoned cart recovery, customer reviews, email marketing, SEO optimization, and lots more. And they also have, it's also mobile responsive as well, their e-commerce themes, allowing your store to adapt to different devices. Additionally, it also has a mobile app that allows you to manage your store on the go, and Shopify is highly scalable. It accommodates businesses of all sizes, whether you're starting small or already have a large enterprise. Shopify can handle your growing needs quite easily. So moving on to Wix. Wix also provides e-commerce capabilities, but it's primarily known as a website builder. But here are some key e-commerce features offered by Wix. Similar to Shopify, they also have an admin panel to showcase all of their e-commerce features. Wix enables you to create product listings, add images, set prices, manage inventory, and it also supports digital products as well as physical products and services as well. Similar to Shopify, it's really easy to add and set up a new product. Everything is very front end, and all the fields are labeled clearly. All the field, like for example, the title field, you have the image of videos, product info, pricing, product options as well. Everything is very clearly labeled, and it's very easy to set up a product on your end as well. Wix also integrate with a lot of different payment providers similar to Shopify. They have their own payment methods where you can accept cards with Wix payments, but they also offer PayPal and other payment options like Stripe, Apple Pay, and lots of other sort of third-party integrations as well with payments. Wix also have an app market with various apps to help extend the features of the Wix commerce, and things like abandoned cart recovery, marketing automation, customer reviews, and lots more can be found within the app market as well. So while Shopify is renowned for its extensive e-commerce features, Wix does offer a streamlined set of tools and smaller online stores or businesses with simpler e-commerce needs. Shopify's dedicated focus on e-commerce gives it an edge in terms of functionality and scalability, but Wix can be a really good option for those who prefer a more straightforward approach to online selling. So next up is themes and templates. And templates play a really crucial role in the design and visual appeal of your website. With Shopify, they have a wide range of professionally designed templates, often referred to as themes, and these themes are specifically tailored for e-commerce stores and cover various different industries and styles. Shopify themes are known for high quality design. They are created by professional designers and undergo rigorous testing to ensure they meet industry standards. They offer themes designed for specific industries like fashion, electronics, beauty, furniture, and a lot more. It's really easy to kind of go through their theme store and explore themes by sort of like what industry you are, and whether they're free paid themes or if you'd like a paid themes as well. And with the overall design of Shopify themes are fixed, they do offer a considerable degree of customization, and you can modify things like colors, fonts, layouts, and sections to match your own branding. And Shopify also provide access to the underlying HTML, CSS, and liquid code, allowing developers to make more advanced customizations as well. All of Shopify's themes are mobile responsive, meaning they adapt to different screen sizes and different devices, providing an optimal user experience. So overall, their themes are wide-ranging, and they're really good quality themes as well, and they're quite easily customizable. So a really great choice if you're wanting to have a more templated design for your online store. Moving on to Wix. So Wix is renowned for its visually appealing and customizable templates. They offer a wide selection of templates that cover various industries and website types. Wix provide a really vast library of templates spanning different industries and website categories as well. So similar to Shopify, you can filter by different sort of industries and pick themes that are customized to those industries. Unlike Shopify, Wix templates are designed to be mobile responsive. This kind of ensures that your website looks and functions well across various devices, including smartphones and tablets as well. Wix's templates are built with a drag and drop editor, making it easy to modify the design elements, and you can customize colors, fonts, and layouts, or even remove sections as per your preferences as well. Both Shopify and Wix provide a wide range of templates to choose from. Shopify's themes are known for their e-commerce focus and professional design, while Wix offers visually appealing templates across various website types. Consider your industry, your design preferences, and your customization needs as well when selecting a template from either platform. So the next thing you want to think about is pricing, and both as platforms are similar in that they offer different pricing plans, but what they offer are slightly different. So with Shopify, they offer pricing plans to accommodate different business needs, and it's split between basic, Shopify, and admin. So with the basic, you do get sort of the basic reports. You get up to 1,000 inventory locations. Each of them come with all of these 3, including staff accounts. But just the higher up you go, the more reports that you get, the more staff accounts you get, and things like that. What's really important is the credit card rates. So essentially the transaction fee that gets put on top of what your order total is. They're significantly higher with the basic plan. If you move over to the advanced plan, the credit card rates drop down to 1.5%, and 1.5% in person as well, so something to look out for. If you scroll down and just click on compare plan features, you can see a little bit more of the technical plan, technical features that you get, things like the international commerce, pricing by trade, things like that. But it's all tiered, so you can start off with a really basic plan and then scale up to a more expensive plan if you realize that actually you need lower credit card rates or you need more staff accounts, things like that. It's important to note that there's transaction fees as well for external gateways unless you use Shopify payments, and the transaction fees vary depending on which pricing plans you choose. What's really good about Shopify's pricing plans, however, is their free trials. So you can try any of the Shopify plans for free for 3 days, no credit card required. However, you can then extend that for another 3 months, but only charging £1 a month. So it means you get to really test out, for example, the advanced plan for a good 3 months before you think, okay, is this good for my business, or is there too many features that you don't need, or do you need to scale down to another one? But you really do get a chance to test all of the features for a good while before making a final decision. So next up is Wix, and Wix also offers different pricing plans that cover a wide range of website needs, including the e-commerce plans. So it is split between basic website plans and business and e-commerce plans. If you do have a business and e-commerce website and you're wanting to accept transaction and payments, you need to select one of the business and e-commerce plans. Starting off with the Business Basic, it's one of the more basic plans, and it's the cheaper plan out of £15 a month. With all these plans, you get the same features, but just a bit more if you were to get the higher plans, obviously. The main differences between all these plans are the storage space and the video hours, but even with the basic plan, you get 20 GB storage space, which is a really good amount for a small starting business. And if you ever need to upgrade, you can always easily switch hosting plans to get a bit more business as well, and a bit more upgrades as well. If you scroll down, you can see a little bit more features that you get, things like abandoned cart recovery, drop shipping, advanced shipping, things like that. And if you scroll down a little bit more, you can see all advanced features as well. But Wix, while they don't offer a free trial, they also do offer a free plan, which allows you to create a website with limited features. However, the free plan displays Wix ads on your site and does not provide a custom domain. It's worth mentioning that both Shopify and Wix offer additional add-ons, apps, and premium features that may come at an extra cost. These can include premium themes, advanced marketing tools, email marketing services, and more. When you're comparing pricing, consider the specific features and requirements of your business to determine which platform pricing structure aligns best with your needs and your budget. And that wraps up our comparison between Shopify and Wix. Remember that both Shopify and Wix have their strengths and weaknesses, so it's important for you to consider your specific needs, your budget, and your level of technical expertise when choosing the right platform for you. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. And if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, please leave them in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.